When we come back, we're going to show you the ingredients.
We're going to be right back.
I always like getting the last word in.
We're going to be right back.
What he said.
Brothers Bistro. Recipes so simple, even a dude can make it.
Hi, I'm Skinny Kenny.
I'm Musclehead Kev, and we're the Klar Brothers. Welcome to Brothers Bistro.
Here for your health.
That's right. He's getting healthy. I'm getting hungry.
We're coming at you tonight. We're going to make a healthy chicken Alfredo.
Yeah, it's got zucchini noodles, and then chicken, of course, and then a Alfredo sauce that's kind of done in a little higher protein, lower fat kind of program.
Wait till you see it. It's going to be super simple. And when we come back, we're going to show you all the ingredients that you need. In fact, we went to the grocery store and we only had to buy like 3 different things because we had all the rest of the ingredients in the house.
Yeah. And we chose this time to buy the zucchini fresh, and we're going to peel it. We'll show you that. As opposed to buying it, you can get it already peeled in the freezer section. Yeah. But what we found is you pay a lot more money and it's not quite as good.
And the other challenge is with rice cauliflower and Zoodles, they call them Zoodles in the grocery store, you want to stay away from anything that's got extra seasoning or extra flavors because they tend to pack in some calories and stuff and salt and preservatives and other things. You want to get the normal, plain vanilla, either rice cauliflower or in this case, Zoodles.
Vanilla?
Plain vanilla.
Oh, what do you mean by that?
Plain, no extra stuff. I gotta spell it out for my brother. He's
all right, we're gonna be right back.
We got our chicken, we got our Alfredo sauce, and we got our noodles. Let me walk you through the Alfredo sauce. It's cottage cheese, Parmesan cheese. We got soy milk because that's what we had, but it calls for almond milk. We think it's gonna be about the same. Garlic powder, pepper, olive oil, and red chili pepper flakes.
So the olive oil is to cook the chicken in.
Right.
And the noodles get cooked on there, and maybe a little bit in the noodles.
In the oil.
Because we're cooking up the noodles and we're cooking up the chicken, and then this other stuff is all basically for the sauce. Is the peppers in the sauce too?
Yep, it is.
Wow, okay.
So it's going to be a little spicy. And we are going to do all this on the stove. Normally we would cook the chicken on the barbecue, but we're opting to do everything on the stove tonight. So when we come back, we're going to start up with the zucchini noodles.
Right.
3 minutes is what they claim. We'll be right back.
Whoa, and we got to tell them, this is our zoodle, and
yeah.
it took us like 10 minutes. There's 2 of us, but it took us like between 5 and 10 minutes to do it. So depending on how many you're making for, what you're doing.
And it calls for 1.5 cups per serving. We ended up having 4 zucchini, and we shredded those.
And you go all the way down to where you're getting to the seeds.
What do you got going on?
This is my chicken. It's looking pretty good. I'll let it go just a little bit longer with the cover on it, and then we're gonna dice it up so we have little pieces. So I turn it down to about a medium heat. This one's on the same thing. It's on a little bit of a medium to high heat, and I'm going in with the Zoodles.
And it's only supposed to take 3 minutes.
Yeah. But
so the Zoodles we're just trying to get them soft is all.
You think?
Yeah. Right. So when we come back, we'll have the Zoodles cooked up. We'll have the chicken cooked and diced. And we'll be working on our Alfredo sauce. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna make it up in our Ninja blender. These are cool because it blends it up in the cup, basically. I was just a little concerned we didn't have a big enough cup, but this looks like it'll work. You wanna hold the cup for me?
Sure.
Just to make sure I don't tip it over.
My brother would never tip it over.
Well,
I need to check on the chicken.
Check. That sounded bad there, the way you said that. Okay, there's the cottage cheese.
You didn't want to use I had a Gucci little spatula thing here to help you out, but my brother didn't care about that. He didn't care about me.
Okay, and then we got our almond milk. And then we got our Parmesan cheese, our pepper, our chili flakes, and our garlic powder. And I hope that the garlic powder is not too heavy. I'm a little concerned because it seemed like it was a lot, but we're going in, baby.
Yeah, that's one of the things you got to realize is that we're learning this stuff with you as you do it. My brother can't even figure out how to do the blender.
I don't know how to do it. Oh, it's got to be in.
Hang on, we got to get the stuff on the top. Alright, look at that. That was science right there. Does this get warmed up, the sauce, or is it?
Yeah, we're gonna put this.
Pour it over it.
We're gonna put this in a bowl, and then we're gonna put it in the microwave. And you got to be careful because cottage cheese doesn't do well with extreme heat. So you got to just cook it in the microwave, warm it in the microwave for 15 seconds at a time, and then once we get it warm, we are going to pour it over our zoodles and chicken. Okay. So when we come back, we will have warmed our Alfredo sauce, and we'll be ready to apply it to our plates.
Yeah, I'm cleaning up after my brother like normal.
So it was pretty quick.
Yeah, it went really fast. The zoodles
shrunk down. We should have had more.
They shrunk down, and we probably, we had one. Well, there was 3 of us eating, so we had 4 zucchini. We probably could have 5 or 6.
Yeah, probably 2 zucchinis per person.
But the chicken seemed fine, and the sauce seemed fine, and it's just.
And the zucchini seemed fine when it was, before it was cooked, but when it cooked down, it kind of. So let's taste a little bit here. I'm a little concerned that it's going to be spicy.
Because you put too much in it?
Well, it could be.
My brother's not a good follower of instructions.
It's easy to get mixed up between teaspoon and tablespoon.
Wow! Wow! The after kick is something.
It's good.
It's actually tasty, but
yeah, I would
probably it's the chili flakes.
Yeah, I would go easy on the chili flakes if I were going to do it again. This is pretty good.
Yeah, it depends on how spicy you like your food.
Yeah, and not a lot of volume, mainly because the zoodles kind of cooked down. So it's good. Give it a try. It wasn't long. It didn't take us long to make.
No, it probably took us as long to make the zoodles with the peeler, vegetable peeler, than it did anything.
Yeah. Yeah, so with that, Brothers
Brothers
Bistro, here for your health.